Good morning. I'm Jen Amos at Weiss Research.
I'm Andy Myers, and this is your morning market update for Wednesday, December 22nd. Stocks on Wall Street opened flat following the latest data on gross domestic product. The final reading showed that the U.S. economy expanded at a 2.6% pace in the third quarter. That was better than the 2.5% previously reported, but short of the growth that economists were expecting. Following the news, the dollar lost ground against other major currencies, and Treasury prices recovered from earlier declines. A report on November existing home sales is still on the docket today, followed by data on new home sales, durable goods orders, personal income and spending, consumer sentiment, and jobless claims tomorrow. The calendar is so packed this week because the markets will be closed on Friday for Christmas Eve.
In addition to those economic data, some earnings news may move the market today. Drugstore chain Walgreens beat Wall Street expectations with its quarterly profit, and sales were in line with estimates. Walgreens shares are rising more than 8% on the news, but shares of Nike are falling nearly 6%. The retailer posted a 22% jump in fiscal second quarter profit, topping estimates. But Nike warned that its margins in the current quarter will be smaller than expected because of rising costs. Despite that warning, FBR Capital boosted its price target on Nike stock to $98 a share.
Another company reporting earnings after Tuesday's closing bell was Red Hat. Net income at the software maker jumped nearly 59% on 21% revenue growth. Following the release, Oppenheimer boosted its price target on the stock. And speaking of software, the biggest name in the industry is making headlines today. Microsoft will reportedly develop a new version of its Windows operating system for smartphones and tablet computers. The new software will complement chips designed by ARM Holdings, which consume less power than those made by Intel or Advanced Micro Devices. The news prompted Numis to boost its price target on ARM shares, and the stock is jumping more than 8% in London.
Checking in on commodities, gold has rebounded from earlier losses following that GDP report, and crude oil is rising back above $90 a barrel, closing in on its highest level in more than 2 years. But copper is dropping back a bit after hitting an all-time high yesterday. Goldman Sachs predicts the metal will remain strong throughout 2011 and recommends buying copper producer Freeport-McMoRan. That's the latest from Weiss Research. Have a great trading day.